Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find the total number of apps allowed to use camera and microphone in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings, and now in the right top corner you can see here one search icon. Just click on it. Now just search for permission manager. On the first list you will see here permission manager. Just click on it. Now just click on this permission manager option. Now here you can see camera option. So just below to it you can see 10 of 43 apps are allowed. So you can see total number is 10 apps are allowed to use the camera. So if you want to see what are those 10 apps that are allowed to use your Android smartphone's camera, just click on it. Now you can see here allowed only while in use. So you can see here the 10 number of apps that are allowed to use your Android smartphone's cameras, and below ask every time and which are not allowed. As you can see all the applications here, total number of 43 applications. You will see everything here on the list. So this is about the camera. Now just move back and just scroll down below. Now you will see here microphone. So just below to it you can see 12 applications out of 36 apps are allowed. So if you want to see what are those 12 applications that are allowed to use your Android smartphone's microphone, you can see here the 12 applications that are allowed to use your Android smartphone microphone. So you can see all the list here, and below you can see ask every time and which are not allowed, as you can see here. So all the apps you can see here which are allowed or not allowed by clicking on the respective options. So by using this inbuilt option permission manager, you can easily find out the total number of apps allowed to use camera and microphone in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.